Today we have the all-new 2nd-gen Toyota GR86, one of the most affordable rear-wheel drive coupes on the market. So, quickly about the GR86. It's a 2+2 sports car co-developed with Subaru and built at Subaru's plant. The first generation debuted back in 2012, and it quickly became very popular among enthusiasts around the world. 2021 marked the 2nd generation of the model, and the most significant change is under the hood. The car received bigger and more powerful motor. Other changes include retuned suspension, more rigid body, and obviously completely redesigned interior and exterior. So, without further ado, let's jump inside and talk about the interior space. The interior of the GR86 is just as it should be. Not sophisticated or overwhelming, but simple and practical. The materials aren't top-notch, however everything is well put together, and the Alcantara inserts throughout the cabin are a nice touch. The seating position, just like in a proper sports car, is great. You sit low to the ground, literally a few inches above the road. The seats themselves are very supportive and relatively comfortable, at least for a performance vehicle at this price point. The back seat, well, it's there, but as you can imagine, it's not usable, and the trunk will not shock you either. It's tiny, offering only 6.26 cubic feet of space. So that was the interior of the new GR86. Let's take it on the road and see how it drives. As I mentioned in the beginning, the biggest change compared to the predecessor is the engine, so let's start with the powertrain. The GR86 received a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated boxer 4-cylinder, which makes 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, available at 3700 RPM. And that second figure is very important because in the previous generation, the peak torque of 156 pound-feet was delivered at 6400 RPM. The new model has better mid-range power delivery, but it didn't lose the high revving nature of its predecessor. It loves when you rev it, and since it's a boxer, it sounds fantastic at high RPM. A close ratio 6-speed manual gearbox is precise, and the clutch feels nice, but it is on the heavier side, so keep that in mind if you want to daily the GR86. You can also get a 6-speed automatic, but please don't do that. I feel like it kills the character of this car and what it's all about. Now, thanks to the boxer engine, the car has low center of gravity, and you can feel that as soon as you get going. The 86 is incredibly balanced. It has a near perfect 53-47 weight distribution, plus body roll pretty much doesn't exist. The suspension is firm and is set for sport-oriented driving, but you can still daily this thing. With traction and stability control on, the car will stay stable and predictable, but when you turn them off, the 86 becomes style-happy and allows you for controllable drifts thanks to a standard limited slip differential. And even when you do lose grip and go sideways, it's extremely easy to control this car using gas and steering. Speaking of steering, it's very precise, providing a lot of feedback and has a nice feel to it. The brake pedal may seem a little weird at first, but once you get used to it, it will allow you to precisely modulate the braking power. When it comes to driver assist features, the premium model that you see here comes with blind spot monitoring and auto-leveling adaptive headlights. If you opt for a variant with an automatic transmission, you will also get an adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, and rear parking sensors. The new Toyota GR86 is better in every way compared to the predecessor, but the concept is still the same. An affordable, analog, old-school feeling car, which even stock is a great package. I haven't had any issues daily driving this thing, but personally, I would consider the GR86 as a weekend/project car, not as an all-around car. It's super fun on curvy back roads, but not when more than 50% of your daily commute is sitting in traffic. Yeah, I'm getting old. Pricing starts at $28,995 for a base variant, and the premium model that you see here was priced at $31,750. If you wonder how I would spec out my GR86, click the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.